Yeah, it had it but it came up with a bang. Especially President Ali Korea Vasha.
Shake it down.
Vile prezo fika grao.
Kabisa.
Story imekuwa sasa
inabamba
inabamba kuruka.
Kabisa.
Laki ona you see adu mabete kugathiriri. Hali State House ri. President akuirwo ni the safari car. Adu mabuga endega kahora ninge. Well, ya tualwo kahora. Nginya matwana na security no ya maguru. Riu Korea Vasha karake guthwo gaciko. Gaciko. Wega ta wega. And of course, head driver amukuire. What is the name of that driver?
Ni Mufaraja.
Yes.
Pierre Louis Loubet.
Oh yes.
Pierre Louis Loubet.
I know amukuire.
Ni dereva wa ena kido miaka 26.
Na nyamu yake ngure ni rarugire.
Ya bag ezawa.
Yose kite mrangire. Ai wose. Wose bwana msana vile kwambio. Let me tell you. Museveni dage meigira. Sevo. He's now very well. You can talk about him. Give me Your Excellency, the Safari guys here. They want to take you around the trip so that you can feel the spirit of the World Rally Championship.
Yes, which car?
It's this one, Your Excellency.
This one is very small. Is it armored? Is it an armored vehicle? We are going until where?
Your Excellency, we are planning to take a trip of 30 kilometers.
I cannot do that. You cannot take me 30 kilometers from State House.
Nowhere.
That's exposing me. I don't trust people. I can't trust you. What speed are we going to be traveling at?
Your Excellency, it clocks a speed of up to 200 kilometers per hour.
Are you serious?
Never ever.
Hiyo maneno mujaribu na Ruto. Or go try with Samia, Mama Samia. I will just watch from where I am. Well, when they pass by, I shall wave.
But I'm not trying that.
Can I get you, Your Excellency? There is a lot of safety in this vehicle. The people who assembled this car and the structure did the safety features are really people who are the same people who actually do safety vehicles for your motorcade, Your Excellency.
Oh, they are the same? Yes. Okay, nafunga mshipi. Okay. Who is this driver?
Your Excellency is from Britain.
Those are our colonialists. I cannot be in the hands of our colonial masters.
Your Excellency, you would prefer a driver from which country?
Is there one from China? Those are our friends.
Takamoto.
Unfortunately, Your Excellency, there are no Chinese rally drivers this year.
Only Japan.
What about Germany? Those ones could be a bit more friendly.
There are two from America.
It's even worse.
I am not safe.
Okay, okay. Yes, wait. Stop raving. Well, why are you stepping on the accelerator? Can you relax, young man? I'm the president. Where is Mohos? Mohos the Moro. I cannot ride without Mohos. Mohos has to be here. Where is Mohos? Can you call Mohos? How many helicopters do we have in the air?
Before I go.
Your Excellency, traditionally we only do one helicopter.
No. They have to get military helicopters in the air. From the military. And instead of 30 kilometers, I shall dedicate myself to do 400 meters.
400 meters in the Tinini Mono.
Your Excellency, we are running out of time. We really have to get on with it.
Stop being in a hurry, young man. We are not in a hurry. Do you have a driver from Kenya? Those are our neighbors. They cannot do me any harm.
Your friends?
Tell the one from Britain to exit. No, I cannot. Then she no way.
Colonialists.
These are our colonial masters. They can be planning.
Kana baba.
I thought Baba would risk.
Yeah. So. Wewe ndio ulibeba Ruto. Yes, is Misa. Simozukisha. Baba mimi. Baba mimi kwa ile gari ilikalia. Mimi ona gari ilikalia kikata kwenda.
Nataka hiyo.
Akasema it was like lack of importance. Yeah, aliogopa.
Ngoja itakuwa hafata.
Mimi baba mimi kama nilibeba Ruto. Kama ulibeba Ruto, mimi baba. Natafutie mita mingine. Wapi Junet? Junet kuja endesha. Baba, I'm not allowed to drive the trolley. Kama mfano waweza tafuta kioni.
Baba want to be in safe hands.
Aja mimi nabebwa na kioni. Sasa baba kimbisho ndio hii ndio ya Kenya kwanza. Kwa nini kubali? Baba
mipango.
Baba kwa Kenya kwanza. Tafutia mimi azimio. Kama unaweza pata gaucho.
Akuje.
Ama Nuru Okanga.
Tasikia nikiwa very safe.
No, that was a very beautiful thing for His Excellency to do.
And I know Pierre, Louis,
yes,
Robert. Alisikia fiti.
Why is it so small?
And is there a toilet?
Let me ask you. Are we going on tarmac?
No, Your Excellency, we are going to be doing off-road. Safari Rally, we do off-road, we go to the terrain. That is the beauty of Safari Rally.
You okay, start driving. You can start now. Is the army in the air?
It's already okay.
Do you have an Air Force jet?
We okay.
It's on the air? Okay, you can start, young man.
Yes.
All your horses, that's too fast. That's a corner. Can you do? You either let me drive or you drive the way I want you to drive. Well, why are you taking a shortcut? Was this route written? Is it in the schedule?
Friends from Uganda.